Hi, in today's video, we're going to be looking at an app that I built in 2017. So what the app does, it takes all your messages and your contacts from your phone, it stores it in the cloud, and you'll be able to access it from anywhere in the world. And you don't need to have your phone. So this is the technology that I use for all you techies out there. So let's get started. Let's have a look at it. So this is the front end of the site. So this is where you log on and then you get to see all of your messages. Now, if you don't have a username and password, you will not be able to access the site. So I have built in authentication into it. So you definitely need to have your username and password. So let's see how we get on here. If I enter in the correct username and then enter in the password, I should see all the messages that was on my phone in 2017. So here we go, and there it is. So as we can see here, we've got some messages. Let's have a look at this one, and that is from Mark. Okay, and I think this is a bit of spam there. So let's search for a message. So we can search for messages as well. So I'm searching for my mom's message. This is the conversation I had between my mother. So, okay, let's see some more. Yeah, all right. Okay, cool. So let's look for another message. This is a conversation I had with a good friend of mine. Yeah, so those were the messages that were on my phone in 2017. So what I'm going to do now, I am going to delete those messages from the database, and I'm going to reinstall the app, and we're going to look at the messages that are on my phone today in 2020. So here is the database. As you can see, we've got the sent and received messages there. So we're going to wipe all of those messages out of the database. And if we look at the structure of the database, we can see there are two tables here. We've got the messages tables and the contacts table. And the messages table obviously holds messages. So we've installed the Android app, and there's no need to register because I've already registered a long time ago. So let's just put back in the username that we used before and the password, and let's log in. Right, so yep, we have logged in now, and okay, so this asking for permission to access our contacts. Yes, and permissions for our messages. Yep. So now all of the messages are being downloaded to the database. So let's log into the site and see what's happening. We should see all of the messages that are currently on my phone, and there we go. We have some messages there, and those are the messages that I currently have on my phone. So if I show you my phone, and you can see that in fact they are the same messages. So it has successfully downloaded all of the messages and the contacts, which I can't show you the contacts obviously. So let's look at this message. It says UK best custom logo designing, and if we click on not that one, this one, if we click on that, it says UK best custom logo design. So yeah, all the messages have come through okay. So what I'm going to do now, I am going to send a text message to my friend Misha. So let's send the message now. She's probably gonna say, why is he sending me a message and I just spoke to him earlier? But okay, let's see. We go, hello, how are you? Yep, so that's the message we're gonna send to Misha. So we're sending the message now, and there we go. Yep, there it is. There's the message. Arrived nice and in time. And that's it. And if we look at the message, it says, hello, how are you? And the time it was sent was 15:08. And that's the time that it says on the phone. So that's it. That's our app. It's successfully downloaded all of our messages, and any message that I receive or any message that I send will be sent to the website. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and please like, comment and subscribe. Ciao.